Hi, Bari Saxophones. Welcome back. Today, we're doing Accent Book 2, page number 10. On today's page, it's all about 16th notes. A 16th note receives 1/4 of a beat in 2/4, 3/4, and 4/4 time. Now, we often see 16th notes in groups of 4. 1E and a, 2E and a, 3E and a, 4E and a. And I like to use words that have syllables to match those 16th notes. I've come up with the word Mississippi, 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 instead of using my counting, 1E and a, 2E and a, 3E and a, 4E and a. However, counting is just as important. So let's get practice using our 16th notes, our 4 16th notes, with number 29. The title of this piece is 4 to the beat, because 4 16th notes equal 1 beat, or 1 quarter note. This piece is in 3/4 time, and it has our B flat fingering. Remember, B flat is 2 and side. Here we go. 1E and a, 2 and 3. 1 and 2E and a, 3. 1 and 2 and 3. 1E and a, 2 and 3. Here we go. 1, ready, go. Let's do it again. 1E and a, 2 and 3. Ready, set, and go. Number 30 also practices our 16th notes. This piece is called The Thunderer, and it was written by John Philip Sousa. In the key signature, we have an F sharp and a C sharp. So remember those two notes if you come across them. Definitely F sharp, but no C sharps. This piece is also marked allegro, but we'll go at a moderate speed of 80 beats per minute. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and 1, ready, go. How are you doing on those 16th notes? 1E and a 2, 1E and a 2. Great. The next piece is the Harvest Song. It's an Estonian folk song. Still practicing our 4 16th notes. Let's give this one a try. 1 and 2, and here we go. Let's do that one more time. 1 and 2, and here we go. The next piece is one of my favorites because it's the American folk song Simple Gifts. Now this piece looks simple, but it has something tricky about it. At the end of the 3rd line, it has a DS al fine. Do you remember what that means? If you guessed that we go back to the sign and play it till fine, you're correct. It means for this song, we have to play all of line 2 again, and that is the last line of the song. So go line 1, line 2, line 3, and finish with line 2. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and ready, set, go. Did you remember to DS al fine and go back to line 2? If you forgot, that's okay. Rewind and try it again so that you remember to follow the DS sign. You'll be glad you did, especially when it has to happen in one of your band songs in your school band. Our last exercise is number 33, accent on baritone saxophone. This piece is really getting us some practice using our B flat fingerings, both low and high. If you've forgotten your B flat fingering, look at the back of the book at the fingering guide. Number 33 is in cut time. So remember, cut time, the value of the notes are cut in half. This piece will start out and sound like this. Let's try it together. Ready? 1 and 2, and here we go. One more time. 1 and 2, and here we go. And there you have it, Accent Book 2, page number 10. We learned about 16th notes today, and I hope that you found it interesting and informative, and I hope that you made some progress. Now remember, you can always use this video as many times as you need, or just rewind back to the portion or the exercises that you need more help. Make sure that you practice for progress, and then review that video and show yourself the progress you've made, so that you know that with hard work comes that progress. So until I see you next time, keep practicing.